Isang magandang hapon sa inyo mga idol. Ngayon ay March 14, 2023, 2:15 in the afternoon. Marami tayong mga nakita na homeless na may posibilidad na pwedeng abutan ng tulong. Pero sa pagkakataon ngayong araw na to, hindi sila ang topic natin. Gusto kong pasalamatan ang dalawang Good Samaritan na ito na handang tumulong sa mga homeless kahit sa maliit lamang na bagay. And of course, kayong mga subscribers at mga nanonood ng aking video. Dahil dyan ay nakapagbibigay kayo ng revenue sa aking channel at yung maliit na bagay na yan ay yun ang naitutulong natin sa mga homeless, especially doon sa nangangailangan talaga ng tulong. Sa umpisa pa lang, wala talaga akong idea kung ano ang ginagawa ng dalawang ito. Basta binuksan lang nila yung van, naglabas ng lamesa, naglabas ng mga coffee mug, ng coffee container, kung ano man yung mga pagkain, at kung ano man yung laman na pwede nilang ilagay dun sa lamesa, inilabas lahat nila at niready nila. Ngayong araw na to ay talagang tiyempong-tiyempo. Yung weather ay mataas, warm, yung sikat ng araw ay maliwanag. Ito talaga yung malaking chance na lumabas yung mga homeless, magmula doon sa kanilang lugar na pinag-i-stayan o doon sa mga mall na pinagtatambayan. Mostly kasi pag may nakikita silang mga small group na nagbibigay ng pagkain o kahit ano pa man yan, lumalabas yan sila, kumukuha sila. Kaya nagantay-antay ako hanggang mapansin ko nga ito na itong dalawang Good Samaritan na ito ay talagang pinaghandaan nila to para matulungan itong mga homeless na to. Habang pinapanood ko sila, naisip ko na tanungin ko kaya itong dalawang Good Samaritan na to. Baka mabigyan nila ako ng advice kung ano yung dapat gawin in case na gusto kong gayahin kung ano yung ginagawa nila. At sa pagkakataong ito nga, bumaba ako ng sasakyan at nagtanong ako sa kanila.
Hey bro, how you doing?
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. I'm Ariel.
I was like curious because I know
Like when you're doing this, do you need a permit from the city or?
we actually have permit from Calgary Transit.
Alright.
Yeah, they say it's okay for us to
For
be here.
like
Yeah.
for example like me like as individual,
Yeah.
I am allowed without permission by the city.
Or city, I think you need to talk to them.
Alright.
Yeah.
And get a ticket on that or whatever they call
Yeah,
that. Or
yeah. Because they don't want some agencies to be here.
Alright.
It's just
Because I saw some of the like individual or kind of group,
yeah.
even it's not big as like this,
Mhm.
so they come and giving like free food or something.
Yeah, depends. Yeah, because there were some issues with other agencies
Alright.
before. But I think our manager talked to Calgary Transit
Okay.
and they say, yeah, you guys are
Yes,
okay.
it's
Yeah.
allowed, alright.
Yeah.
So I was like confused, so just in case, I mean, like, as an individual, I mean, like,
Yeah.
okay, one day I'm planning, okay, let's say, give some coffee or give
Yeah,
some
food
food
or
or free
something.
food or something.
Yeah.
So I was like guessing.
Yeah.
it's
Yeah. I think
good.
you want to talk to Transit
I mean, like,
first.
I mean, like, at least it's good to talk to someone else who knows exactly
Yeah.
like what happened like this. So
Yeah.
And there are volunteer groups around the city that do stuff like this.
okay,
So if you join one of them
Okay.
and just volunteer with them, then like they're already set up.
okay,
That's
and then they approve it like that. You mean?
Well, whatever they do, they already have their own system. They might not go to the train station.
You good?
Whatever
okay.
you or wherever you want to set this thing over here, just like inform them. You mean? What do you mean?
No. I mean, if you look around for other places to volunteer, Like rather than doing your own thing, you could also join a group that's already got like they're already organized.
Okay. I know
Yeah,
what you mean.
yeah.
I know what you mean.
Rather
Yeah.
than start from scratch.
Okay.
There's just
okay.
a bunch of I don't know random little community-based things. Keep it out.
So those communities are like everyone like helping.
Yeah, just a bunch of people who decide to get together
Oh,
and
okay.
help,
Okay.
help out. Yeah.
Yeah.
They can. Yeah.
It's good to know that yeah, you know, like you need to inform someone else
Yeah.
regarding about this.
Yeah,
So at
downtown.
least in the future, if I decided, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, you see more people in downtown doing that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Walking around the downtown.
Yeah, I see
giving
lots
food.
over here. Yes. Okay. So that means like everyone, the authority, I mean, like to
Yeah.
do something.
Yeah.
So, I mean, like good, like this.
But just doing it on the station property, you just need to get
Stay informed.
yeah, their
Okay.
permit. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, bro. Yeah.
Thanks for the
Take care. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Man. Have a good day. Thank you, guys.
Kahit nangangapa tayo sa pakikipag-usap sa kanya, naintindihan natin yung advice niya na hindi pala basta-basta yung ginagawa nila. May tama palang proseso dito. Sabi nga sa ikalawang Corinthians, verse 9:6-8, remember this, whoever sows sparingly will also reap sparingly, and whoever sows generously will also reap generously. Each of you should give what you have decided in your heart to give, not reluctantly or under compulsion, for God loves a cheerful giver. Ang salitang salamat ay hindi enough para pasalamatan kayo. Alam kong nandyan lang lagi kayo para suportahan ang aking channel. Hanggang sa muli po mga idol. Maraming salamat sa lahat. To God be the glory.